I'm gonna do my best Leo Gatsby impersonation to 2024. Here's a classic Chicago cocktail that seems very fitting for the end of the year. Again, we consulted recipes from a couple of local and national experts, and this was the result. A very well-balanced and easy-to-drink cocktail if you ask us. Cheers, everybody. Cling! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
That's a good Chicago cocktail.
It's good. It's strong.
It is.
I didn't expect it to be this strong with like the orange liquor.
Yeah. I know this little guy here was looking at it like, hey, I want some, but